Hey babe, happy new year and welcome back. I'm so happy to have you here. So to start, we are going to go in with this oil. I always use this oil because it really helps with the itchy and dry scalp. And I'm also going to go in with this plastic shower cap. This shower cap is going to protect our natural hair from the glue, guys. So you want to make sure you wear this cap. And I'm also going to use my elastic band that I got from my local beauty supply store. We are going to be using this elastic band to attach to our closure. So right now I'm just measuring out how much of that elastic band that I will need. So I'm going to cut off probably about a good 3 inches off of this elastic band. But this is the closure. I just pulled it off a older wig that I had, and I'm just going to put it on this one. But this closure has already been colored from my previous video. So if you guys want to see that, you can check it out. I'll put the video up in the cards. And you guys are really going to be able to see the color payoff in this video. So stay tuned until the end of the video so you can see the results of that coloring process. But we are just going to go ahead in with our needle and thread, and I'm going to sew that elastic band onto my closure off camera. But now we're going to put our dome cap on our head. You guys want to make sure that you pull that dome cap down as far as you can onto your head. Make sure there are no lumps. Now that we have put our closure on our head, we are actually going to start installing our hair with this glue from Red, and it is the quick dry weaving hair bonding glue ultimate hold. And let me tell you guys, I got this video concept from the Red Fairy here on YouTube, and I'm actually going to link her video down below because this video is definitely inspired by her. I saw her using this glue in her video, and let me tell you guys, this glue did not miss, and she was totally right about the hold on this glue, okay? When I tell you, I have been wearing this wig for the holidays and it's not moving anywhere, girl. Like, the hold on this glue is absolutely amazing. My tracks are definitely secured. I can tell when I am combing through my wig, like those tracks are secured and they're not going anywhere with this glue. I don't think I will ever put this glue like near my natural hair whatsoever because the way that my bundles are secured on that cap, it does not move, babe. So we're gonna just do the process that we always do, guys, and we just measure the hair, cut it, and then glue it, and then apply it to our head. So you measure, you cut, you apply your glue, and then you apply the track. And I did not speed through this process so you guys can actually see what I'm doing at each step. So if you really want to learn how to apply your tracks, just make sure that you watch the entire video from start to finish. Now, another great tip that I learned, guys, is to always flat iron your bundles before you apply them in your head, especially with the glue, because it just helps for your install to be as flat as possible. And I know it's tedious, you guys, but it's worth it. It's so worth it in the end, and it saves a lot of time. Flat ironing the bundles before you apply them in your head is way more efficient. So make sure you take the time to do that. I guarantee you're going to save way more time in the end if you do this process. Throughout this video, please check out the color payout on these wefts. I really took my time and dyed this hair, so make sure you guys check out that video. I'm also going to leave that down in the description box if you are interested in also learning how to dye your own hair at home. I didn't use any bleach at all to dye this hair, and this hair was very affordable as well. So make sure you check out the description box for really helpful extra information. And you guys, do not mind me at all. I totally forgot to sew down my closure in the back because I was so excited and I was so ready to like get this hair installed because I had really been like waiting to get this video out to you guys. I don't know what I was thinking about, so don't mind that, but for the sake of like educational purposes, go ahead and sew the back of your frontal or your closure down first before you start gluing on your tracks. At some point I did notice it, and then I went in and sewed it down off camera. I really just love the color of this hair. I think it turned out so well. But now that the last track has been glued down, we are actually going to take those pins out, take the wig off our head, remove the shower cap, and go ahead and cut off the excess cap as well, and then start styling our quick weave wig. I'm showing you guys in detail each step, so if you know anyone else that would benefit from this video, please like and share this video with them as well. I really wanted to see how this hair will look applied behind the hairline because that has been very popular on social media lately. And even though I really don't like having my hair out anymore, while I'm on this hair journey, I really wanted to try it out specifically with this wig. So that's what we are going to be doing today.
Whenever I'm with you, I can concentrate. Ever since I met you, nothing feels the same. Everything I do with you just feels right. 'Cause you know that I can get you off my mind. I just wanna be here with you all the time. Nothing's new. You still make me feel the way you do. I'm your fool. Take a little bit of me, 'cause baby all I want is you. Nothing's new. Even though we're far apart, I think of you. Sometimes it's the only thing that gets me through the day. Everything I do with you just feels right. 'Cause you know that I can get you off my mind. I just wanna be here with you all the time. Nothing's new. You still make me feel the way you do. I'm your fool. Take a little bit of me, 'cause baby all I want is you. Nothing's new.
So if you guys want to follow like my hair journey and everything, the next video will be a big chop video. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you can be alerted each and every time that I upload on this channel. If you are new here, I'm so happy to have you here. If you have any suggestions at all or any questions, make sure that you leave them down in the comment section. If you have any video ideas, leave them down in the comment section as well. I really want you guys to be able to learn how to do your hair on your own, especially if you're on a budget. And if you're tired of like the hey boutex, learn how to do your hair, you guys. It's extremely therapeutic. You save so much time, so much money. And it's really fun as well. So that's what my channel is here to do, guys. I want you guys to gain new skills that really just improve the quality of your life, help you build confidence really through these beauty and DIY videos, you guys. So if you are interested in just being inspired and unleashing your creativity through beauty and DIYs, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And before we use any heating tools on our natural hair, I'm going in with this Chi heat protectant serum first, and I'm only going to do about 2 passes on my natural hair.
Nothing's new.
And for our edges today, I'm going in with the Basque and Leather Edge Control. I've been seeing this all over TikTok and I'm like, I need to try it immediately. First of all, it smells amazing. It smells just like watermelon, and honestly it has a really great hold to it as well. This was my first time actually trying this edge control. I'm not gonna lie, I went to bed with this hair and my edges was still intact, so I would give this edge control really a 9 out of 10. Y'all, I absolutely love the way that this install came out. You guys really have to let me know what you think about this color. I definitely love it, and I'm so excited to be doing different types of quick weave wig videos with you guys now that I have learned this method. So if you like this video as well, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.